Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your thumbnail preview is not working, then watch this video for the solution. So first thing we need to do is we'll restart Windows Explorer. For that we'll go to the task manager and then we will look for Windows Explorer in the search bar. We'll right click on it and click on restart. Now we should be able to see the thumbnail preview like so. If we cannot see this, then we'll click on the three dots here and go to options, click on view, and then make sure that under files and folders this box is unchecked. Always show icons, never thumbnails. Uncheck it, click on apply, and then click on OK, and you should be able to see the thumbnail. If that too doesn't work, then we will reset the thumbnail cache. So for that we need to go to settings and we need to go to system, click on system, go to storage, and then click on temporary files. And here we need to make sure all the boxes are unchecked here except thumbnails. So uncheck all these boxes and only thumbnails are selected, and then click on remove files and click on continue. And once that is done, Windows will rebuild the cache and then we can see the thumbnail preview. Finally, these solutions should work, but if in finally if they don't, or none of these solutions work, which is very rare, then we will just open change the default app with which the file should open. So we'll right click on this and we'll click on open with, and we'll click on the choose another app and then click on change the default app. I will look for photos and I will click on always, and then I can see the thumbnail preview like so. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.